Okay, so this is our material today. Feel the fear for Unit 3. Okay, this is for our second meeting in this part. Okay, this is for warm up as usual. So this is about amusement park or theme park atau tempat bermain, wahana bermain. So as you can see here for warm up, what can you see in the image? Can you name the rides or describe what happens on them? Have you ever been on these rides and match the vocabulary in the box to the pictures and use the phrases to describe the rides. Okay, so here we have four pictures, number one, number two, number three, number four. And then I want you to fill to this from the box, from the phrases in the box to the pictures. Okay, for the example, as you can see, number one, ini kira-kira apa nih? What is the ride atau wahananya? And then what is it about? Dan ini kira-kira tentang apa nih? What is the function of this ride? Okay, if you want to try, you can try it. Oke, ada yang mau coba di sini? For the example, I will give number one. For the example, number one, it is Ferris wheel. Jadi adalah komedi putar, Ferris wheel. And the function you can see for miles from the top. Kalian bisa melihat berjauh-jauhan and melihat dari kejauhan beberapa miles dari atas. Jadi ini adalah memutar dan you can go to see the scenery. Okay, that is for the example number one. If you want to try number two, three, four, you can raise your hand or you can say it. Kalau mau coba boleh banget nih.
Cap, I want to try.
Okay, please, Mutia.
Number three.
Number three. Okay, the picture's
Yes.
number three. Okay, please.
This is a roller coaster. Yeah.
Okay, so that is roller coaster. Okay, that
Yeah.
is roller coaster. And then,
Um, apa ya? Sangat menakutkan. Very scary gitu. Eh,
oh, that is very scary. And then you can find the phrase atau kata-katanya di sini nih, the kalimat about the function. Ada yang pilihannya nih,
um,
ada they go so fast, they make me jump, they are so difficult to try to control, apa aja nih, boleh.
itu yang roller coaster sampai they make me jump itu nyambung nggak, Cap? Nyambung ya?
Enggak, itu pisah ya.
Oh, pisah.
Ya, that is
Um,
only roller coaster.
Roller coaster bisa? Eh,
And then, okay, so number three is roller coaster, and then the function or what is it about?
um,
Kira-kira ngapain?
make me jump. They make me jump.
Make me
Eh,
jump. Oke, membuat kamu lompat kalau naik roller coaster.
enggak deh, enggak ngelompat.
Oke, apa nih
um,
kira-kira?
ini deh. They are so difficult to control.
They
Itu
are
bisa nggak?
so difficult to
Eh,
control. Jadi, apakah kamu ngontrol roller coasternya?
enggak sih.
Oke, oke, kira-kira apa nih?
They go so fast. They go so fast.
Oke, they go so fast. Jadi,
Yes.
ini cepat banget ya berarti.
Ya. Mm-mm.
Oke, that is correct. So, roller coaster is the answer is roller coaster and they go so fast. Jadi, dia pergi dengan cepat, meluncur dengan cepat. So, the answer is correct. Oke, bener banget Mutia. Oke, Mutia, I want to ask you, have you ever rode roller coaster?
Iya.
Pernah naik?
Belum pernah. No.
Belum pernah. So, do you want to try to ride roller coaster?
Yes.
Why? Why do you want to ride roller coaster?
Apa tadi? Kenapa ya?
Why do you want to ride roller coaster?
Karena sangat menyenangkan. Apa sih?
Because that is so
Very,
fun.
yeah, very so fun.
And don't you feel afraid about roller coaster?
Hmm, Apa yang kamu rasakan ya?
Don't you feel afraid? Kamu nggak merasa takut kalau naik roller coaster?
Takut sih sebenarnya.
Afraid, but you want to
Afraid,
feel the
yes.
sensation ya?
Yes.
Okay, that's all.
Yeah, that's all, Cap.
All right, perfect. Thank you very much, Mutia. Okay, so this is from Mutia. Okay, Kevin, you want to try?
Yeah, I want to try.
Okay, what's number?
Number two,
Number two. Okay, so what is it?
haunted house.
Okay, so number two, the answer is haunted house. Okay, that is correct. Haunted house. Okay, so and then which one
Uh,
is the phrases or the sentence?
They make me jump kayaknya.
Oke, they make you jump. Jadi kamu kalau kayak dikagetin jadi lompat gitu ya.
Iya.
Oke, have you ever been there? Pernah ke sana?
Udah. Oh, pernah, pernah.
Pernah. So where was it? Di mana?
Di Jatim Park.
Oh, Jatim Park. So that is in Batu ya.
Iya, Batu.
Oke, Kevin, where are you from? Asalnya mana sih Kevin? Lupa nih.
Sidoarjo.
Sidoarjo. Oh, okay. You're close enough ya from Batu Malang.
Iya.
Okay, that is cool. Okay, and then how do you feel when you go there? Perasaannya gimana,
Apa?
Kevin? How do you feel? How did you feel when you go to haunted house?
Scare, takut.
You feel scared?
Scary, scary.
Okay, you can
Iya,
say I feel scared gitu ya. Aku merasa
iya,
takut
feel
gitu
scared.
ya. Okay. Alright, that is
Oke,
good.
iya.
Okay, Kevin, I want to ask you, what is your favorite ride or thing in amusement park? What is your favorite ride? Wahana apa
Dari,
nih yang disukai?
dari empat itu tuh.
Bebas. When you visit like Jatim Park,
Oh,
perhaps, what is that?
kayaknya roller coaster.
Roller coaster. Oh, when was last you visit?
Apa?
Kapan terakhir kali?
Oh, terakhir kali. Tahun
Hmm.
lalu.
Last
One.
last year. Okay, so
Ya,
there is like roller coaster with the loop ya,
ya,
yang ada lingkarannya itu.
iya,
So you rode menaiki itu.
iya benar-benar.
Okay, okay, that is good. Okay, that's all, Kevin.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay, thank you very much, Kevin. Okay, so that is from Kevin. Okay, Grace, you wanna try? Actually, here we have one left. This is for picture number 4. You have to match with this part and then answer it. Okay, Grace, do you want to try? Oke, sepertinya Grace sedang ada kendala. Oke, so that is for number 1. We have Ferris wheel ya, atau komedi putar. Ferris wheel. And then for number 2, we have haunted house. And number 3, we have roller coaster. So in the Ferris wheel, you can see 4 miles from the top. Bisa melihat beberapa kilo dari kejauhan di atas, dari atas. And then for number 2, we have haunted house. So they make you jump, make me jump. Jadi bisa kaget ketika melihat hantunya, the ghost. And then for number 3, we have roller coaster. So they go so fast. You can control it ya, karena nggak bisa dikontrol kan. Dan ada you ride roller coaster and then you feel the adrenaline. Okay, and then for number 4, Chris, you wanna try? Oke, sepertinya Grace belum ada. Oke, I will answer it. So number 4. Oke, Kevin, Mutia, you wanna try number 4? Mau coba nggak nih number 4?
I wanna try, Cap.
Oke, please.
Itu bumper cars.
Bumper cars. Okay,
Yes.
that is bumper cars. And then,
And then they are so difficult to control.
okay, they are so difficult to control. Okay, have you
Yes.
ever tried this one, Mutia?
Apa Cap? Pernah ini ya?
Have you ever tried? Pernah nyoba?
Pernah.
Okay,
Yes.
so how do you feel? So are they so difficult to control?
Hmm, pernah. Yes.
Agak sulit dikendalikan ya.
Ya. Karena kayak berat
So,
gitu.
oke,
So
kayak berat gitu ya.
yes.
That is so hard, so heavy ya.
Ya.
And then, okay, what is your favorite ride, Mutia?
Hmm, apa namanya tadi?
What is your
Apa
favorite ride?
bom car?
Bom bom car. Jadi kamu suka
Yes.
naik bom bom car ya? Okay, that is similar with bumper cars. That is bom bom car. Okay, have you ever
Yes.
visited something like amusement park?
Kamu mas apa?
Amusement park atau taman bermain seperti Ancol, Dufan, seperti Dufan, Jatim Park atau Trans Studio
Hmm,
atau
yes.
sejenisnya?
Pernah. Yes.
Where was it?
Hmm, Where is it? Apa tadi, Kak?
Where was it? Where was it?
Di mana ya?
Iya, di mana?
Di ini, di Jakarta.
In Jakarta. So that is like Dufan.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So what is your favorite ride?
Hmm, Bambang.
Okay, is your favorite Bambangkar
Ada?
in
Bukan.
apa?
Ini roller, roller coaster apa ya kemarin?
Oh, that is like
Lupa, Kak.
Halilintar ya.
Ya.
Halilintar in Dufan ya.
Mm-mm.
Okay, that is like roller coaster with the loop ya. Ada lingkarannya kan?
Yes. Mm-mm.
Okay, that is good. Okay, thank you very much, Mutia, for trying number 4. Okay, so that is about our warm-up question. Here we have this, and then we will move to the next. The next, actually, we will have this. We will have this. Okay, so now here, I want you to know that we have gradable adjective and extreme adjective. Jadi di sini ada adjektif yang biasa dan ada adjektif yang banget atau extreme adjective. Apa sih maksudnya banget? Jadi kayak good. Good itu kan baik. Kalau bagus banget, very good, itu ada adjektifnya sendiri, ada katanya sendiri. Kira-kira apa nih? Contohnya nih, Cat kasih contoh yang bad. Kalau bad itu kan buruk. Kalau sangat buruk, buruk banget, itu berarti bisa bilang bukan very bad, tapi kita bisa bilang kayak awful. So here the answer is awful. Nah, kira-kira nih ada yang lainnya. Kita ada good, tiring, big, frightening, tasty, happy, and cold. So di sini ada beberapa kosakata, and then I want you to try to match with this in the book. Actually, the answer is in the book, so you can find the answer. Okay, so now if you want to try, you can say it. Kalau mau coba boleh banget nih buat
Yep,
dibicara.
I wanna try.
Okay, please, Mutia.
Number 8.
Number
Ya,
8. Okay, that
yang
is
cool.
cool.
Itu the answer is phrasing.
Okay, cool. The answer is freezing.
Yes.
Oke, benar banget. Jadi cool itu kan dingin. Kalau sangat dingin, itu bisa freezing, membeku. Terasa beku. Freezing. Oke, that is good answer, Mutia. Oke. Any else?
No.
Oke, Kevin, you want to try?
Yeah, number 1.
Number 1. Okay, good.
The
Okay,
answer
good.
is brilliant.
Good. Okay, so good. You can match good with brilliant. Okay, that can be. So we have brilliant, yeah? Very good. Brilliant. Okay, we have brilliant. Okay, next we have tiring, big, frightening, tasty, and happy. Okay, Grace, you wanna try? Oke, yang lainnya kita masih ada nih. Ada tiring, big, frightening, tasty, and happy.
Yep, I wanna try.
Oke, Mutia, please.
Number 4 itu tasty. Itu ini delicious.
Delicious. Okay, tasty. The answer is delicious. Oke, benar banget. Delicious. Sangat enak. Oke, that is great. Oke, then. Ada lagi?
No,
No,
belum
okay.
cari.
Okay, you can find it. Okay, next, want to try it? Okay, if you want to try, you can try it. Kira-kira yang mana nih? Okay, we have tiring, big, frightening, happy. Oke, kira-kira apa nih? Kira-kira nih. Hmm. Tak
I
udah
want to
ada.
try it. Yeah.
Okay, please.
Number 6.
Number 6, happy. It will be
Delighted.
delighted. Okay, that is correct. The answer is delighted. Okay, that is correct, Kevin. Perfect. Okay, we have 3 left. Kita tinggal 3 lagi nih. You can try if you want to try it. Oke, silakan kalau mau mencoba.
Ini number 5.
Number five. Okay, please.
Itu enormous. Enormous.
Number five. Big. The answer is
Enor
enormous. Enormous. Okay, that is correct. Enormous.
Bacanya gimana, Kak? Enormous.
Okay, wait.
Oke.
Enormous.
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 Oke.
Oke,
Oke, Kak.
enormous. Itu artinya sangat besar atau besar banget. Enormous. So that is for number what? Number five. Big itu kita pakai enormous. Enormous ya.
Yes.
Okay, next. Okay, so number one we have brilliant, awful, and then delicious, enormous ya, enormous, and then delighted, and the last freezing. We have two left, tinggal dua nih, tiring and frightening.
I wanna try.
Okay, Kevin, please.
Number three.
Number three, tiring, dengan
It's exhausting.
exhausted, exhausting. Okay, that is correct. Exhausting, exhausting. Answer is correct. Okay, that is great, Kevin. Okay, the last, frightening. Grace, you want to try?
Yeah, I wanna try.
Okay, please.
Number seven. Apa nih? Bentar. Terrifying.
Frightening. Okay, that is correct. Terrifying. Benar Pak jawabannya. Terrifying. Terrifying. Okay, so that is for number one until number eight. About credible adjective to extreme. Adjective jadi kata sifat yang biasa dan juga yang ditingkatkan ekstrim menjadi yang lebih. Good menjadi brilliant, bad menjadi awful, tiring menjadi exhausting, tasty menjadi delicious, big menjadi enormous, happy menjadi delighted, frightening menjadi terrifying, and the last cold menjadi freezing. Okay, so now I want you to read this part. Okay, Kevin, can you try to read number one until number eight?
Dibaca semuanya.
Yeah, all of this.
Dari kayak good sama dengan brilliant gitu terus.
Yeah, good, brilliant, gitu.
Oh, oke. Good, brilliant, tiring, exhausting, big, enormous, frightening, terrifying, bad, awful, tasty, delicious, happy, delighted, cold, freezing.
Okay, great. Good job, Kevin. Thank you very much. Okay, after Kevin will be Mutia.
Oke. Good, brilliant, bad, awful, tiring, exhausting, tasty, delicious, big, enormous, happy, delighted, frightening, jadi terrifying, kok jadi freezing.
Okay, perfect. Okay, the last. Grace, you want to try?
Yeah, I wanna try.
Okay, please.
Good, brilliant, tiring, exhausting, big, enormous, frightening, terrifying, bad, awful, tasty, delicious, happy, delighted, cold, freezing.
Okay, perfect, Grace. Thank you very much. Okay, from here, kira-kira ada yang tahu nggak nih? Artinya apa aja nih kira-kira? Jadi good kan baik. Jadi menjadi brilliant, menjadi cemerlang. Sangat baik. Tiring itu kan udah melelahkan. Exhausting juga lelah tapi lelahnya banget. And then big itu besar. Kalau enormous itu sangat besar. Frightening takut. Kalau terrifying itu sangat ketakutan. Mengerikan. Terrifying, mengerikan. Terus we have bad, buruk, and awful, sangat buruk. This is so awful, sangat mengerikan, buruk juga. And then we have tasty, lezat, dan delicious, sangat lezat. And then happy, senang. Delighted itu sangat menyenangkan. And then cold, dingin, dan freezing, sangat dingin atau membeku, sampai membeku. Okay, so that is about this gradable adjective to extreme adjective. Okay, thank you very much, everyone. Okay, then the next section we will have this. Okay, so I want you to read this part. Okay, we will spare into. Okay, so Kevin, Mutia, and Grace will spare it. Kita akan membagi ke sini. Jadi from paragraph 1 to 3, it will be Mutia. Paragraph, sorry, 1 to 3 will be Mutia. 4 and 5 will be Kevin. And 5 and 6 will be Grace. Okay, can you try it? Okay, wait a minute. Kelihatan nggak dari sini kayak gini?
Kelihatan, Cap?
Kelihatan ya? Okay, so
Yes.
now I will give the
Hmm.
order. Okay, so this 1, 2, 3, and then 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last this. So Mutia, Kevin, and Grace. Okay, can you do it? Okay, so Mutia, you will be the first, please.
Yang paragraf pertama ya, Cap?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you one of those people who enjoy being scared? Do you jump at the chance to watch scary movies, read a trailer, and love screaming and absolutely terrifying roller coaster? Or do you had the idea of being frightened thinking about the nightmares that a horror film might give you, or holding your friends coach and bakes while they go while they go on the ghost train. Fear is how we respond to danger. When we are afraid, we sweat our hearts speed up and our muscles get tight. Your brain is making a choice between three possibilities: to freeze, fight, or run away as fast as possible. Many other animals feel fear, and this
Fear.
help fear
Fear, yeah, fear.
fear
Mm.
fear, and this help keep them safe. Running away from the thing that wants to eat you is a good way to survive in modern
Life, life.
life.
Mhm.
Luckily, Cap.
Luckily,
Yeah,
luckily, luckily.
luckily, most of us don't need to worry about survival every day, but we still fear sometimes, and this can be a good thing.
Okay. Okay, Mutia, that is good. So you can read this while ya.
Oh,
This is
while.
while. Okay, while. And then ini bukan sweet, tapi sweat ya.
A sweat. Okay.
Kayak pernah minum Pocari Sweat?
Yeah.
Nah, itu kan Pocari Sweat, bukan Pocari Sweet ya.
Yeah.
Nah, Pocari Sweat.
Sweat. Okay.
Sweat. Jadi keringat itu berkeringat sweat. Dan ini bacanya gimana, Mutia?
Muscles.
Bacanya muscle.
Muscle. Okay.
Muscles. Jadi kalau ada S-nya
Muscles.
muscles. Kalau otot aja muscle, kalau ada S-nya muscles.
Muscles.
Oke, muscles. And then ini bacanya fear ya.
Fear.
Fear.
Fear. Okay.
Fear.
Fear.
Ada kayak ada gini. Fear ya.
Fear.
And
Okay.
then itu aja life gitu ya.
Life.
Oke. Oke, that is good chance. Thank you very much, Mutia.
Okay.
Okay, then Kevin, please.
Okay. Feeling afraid can help us to understand people who are in a really frightening situation. It can also help us remember to behave more safely. If you are cycling down a hill with your hand in the air, a little wobble from the bike get those hands straight back down. It can also help us do better in an exam or when giving a presentation. If you can let the nervous feeling stay but focus on the thing you have to do, you sometimes find that you can focus on your action very clearly. When you do scary things with friends or family, such as going out and getting scared on Halloween night, there are friendship benefits. If you do get shocked by someone in a custom shooting boo, your brain gets ready to rake, but because you know it's safe and there is no need to be fearful, you can enjoy the feeling, the moment of relief, When the scare is over, can leave you and your friend laughing together. It can create great memories and even be relaxing afterwards, of course.
Okay, alright, that's good, Kevin. Okay, Kevin, actually you can read this yang bagian ini, those ya.
Yeah,
Those, jadi kayak those, bukan those, tapi those ya.
those.
Terus kalau fokus, bacanya itu focus. Ada kayak ada K-nya,
Focus.
focus.
Oh,
Focus, kayak Q, 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 focus gitu ya.
okay.
Focus. Terus ada lagi kayak yang react. Ini react ya. React.
Yeah, yeah,
Ready to react. And then tadi aku dengarnya yang ini no net. Tadi no need, no need ya.
yeah. No.
No need to be fearful. Terus ada juga, ini bacaan yang terakhir, ini gimana?
Laughing.
Bacanya
Laughing.
laughing ya.
Oh, laughing.
Mirip-mirip kayak love. Jadi kayak laughing.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Tertawa bersama. Oke, Kevin,
Oh,
that is good. Any question, Kevin?
no.
Okay, thank you very much, Kevin. Okay, then after Kevin, Grace, you wanna try?
I'm gonna try.
Okay, please.
But feeling alarmed too often can also make you stressed and ill if you don't enjoy things like Halloween. Even thinking about it before can make you anxious. Calming
Anxious.
down with, calming down with breathing exercises might help, as well learning about your face
Your
or even
fears.
working. eh, or even working with a therapist to get better at dealing with some situation. When watching scary movie, reminding yourself this isn't real. These are actor. I don't need to panic. Panic can help a lot. Some people though prefer to they don't like being frightened, so they avoid scary situation, and that's fine too. Just don't get scared
Scared.
of the idea of being
Scared.
scared.
Scared. Okay, Grace, I want you to read this. Make gimana?
Make
Make
also
apa? Yang
us
bagian ini.
stressed stress
Make us
make
stress.
make us stressed
Okay, make us stress. And then ini bacanya anxious ya. Tadi udah bener. Anxious.
anxious
Anxious. And then for this bacanya
fears
fears. Okay, and then for this
therapy therapy therapy
therapist. Therapist.
therapy.
Therapist. Okay. Okay, so I think that's okay. Do you have any question, Grace?
No.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much, Grace. Okay, so thank you very much everyone for trying this part. This is for reading section. Okay, then after this part, we will have. No, wait. Okay, so this I want to ask you. Are you scared of any of these things? Do you know anyone who is? Why do you think people are frightened of these things? Are those things really that scary? Okay, so now here we have six pictures. Ada 6 foto nih. Ada foto yang pertama, kedua, ketiga, empat, lima, enam. So we have six pictures. And then I want you to choose two pictures. Kalian boleh bebas nih, milih dua yang mana aja. Jadi sama-sama kayak temennya nggak apa-apa. Jadi kalian silahkan pilih dua foto. And then I want you to describe this. Are you scared of any of these things? Jadi kamu takut gak nih foto nomor berapa aja yang kalian pilih? And then, do you know anyone who is? Atau kamu tahu siapa ini yang kayak takut ini? And then, why do you think people are frightened of these things? Terus, kenapa nih orang kok bisa takut akan hal ini? And then, are those things really that scary? Apakah yang kalian pilih itu benar-benar menakutkan? So, I want you to choose two pictures and then you can describe which one. Oh, okay. Only one aja. One picture aja. One picture. You can choose one picture and then you have to describe this. Okay, can you do it? Or do you have any question? Ada pertanyaan nggak nih? Okay, for the example, I will choose number 5. Okay, so are you scared of any of these things? So the answer is yes. Yes, I am. So I'm really scared of spider. Jadi aku sangat takut dengan laba-laba ya karena that is so scary because the bentuknya sangat aneh and that is so poisonous, sangat beracun. And then do you know anyone who is? So that is me because I'm really afraid of spider. And then, why do you think people are frightened of these things? Jadi, kenapa orang-orang kok bisa ketakutan dengan laba-laba? So, the answer is because they are poisoned, karena mereka beracun, and they are so terrible, sangat aneh dan buruk banget, and so awful, sangat amat buruk banget, and so terrifying, sangat amat mengerikan. And then, for this, are those things really that scary? Apakah ini sangat benar banget? Yes, they are so scary. Mereka sangat amat menakutkan. Okay, so this is for the example from me. Okay, so now I want you to choose that one. Okay, if you want to try, you can say it. Okay, so now if you want to try, you can say it. Ada yang mau mencoba duluan di sini? This is you can describe about your fear about something. Oke, ada yang mau coba? Oh, do you have any question? Ada pertanyaan nggak nih kira-kira about the order? Do you have
Kayak
any
bisa
question?
nentuin ya.
Gimana?
Kayak nentuin gambar aja, tapi nanti ngambil picture ini tapi diambil ini gimana?
Sorry. Gimana, Grace? Coba.
Kayak bisa nentuin gambarnya aja nggak? Sama
Oh,
ini
jadi
gambar.
ditentuin langsung gitu mau foto yang mana gitu.
Ya.
Oke, jadi nggak milih sendiri, jadi dipilihin ya. Okay, so now I will give you the picture. Jadi dipilihin ya. So, Grace, I want you to choose. Perhaps you can choose this. Exam ini ya, picture number 2. So, for the picture number 2 will be Grace. And then for Kevin, I want you to choose this. Injection. This is Kevin. And then for the next, I want you to choose Mutia. Mutia, you can choose this. That is like graveyard, pemakaman ya. This is Mutia. Okay, so now you can try it. Okay, do you have any question? Ada pertanyaan nggak nih? Atau you want to change? Boleh banget nih kalau mau ganti. Ada yang mau berganti? Atau you want to say it? Any question? Okay, jika tidak ada pertanyaan, you can try to make it. Okay, please.
Yep, I wanna try.
Okay, Mutia, please. Number
Yes.
3.
Number 3
Okay.
itu kan pemakaman. Yes.
Okay, graveyard. Like,
I'm so scary.
Oh, you're real scared with graveyard?
Apa?
You are really scary about you are very scared of graveyard, ketakutan
Yes.
sama. Okay, why?
Because itu tuh kayak apa namanya? That place is very quiet and scary.
Very quiet and scary and also dark.
Yes.
Okay, makes sense. And then that makes sense.
And then my friend is very afraid of that place.
Oh, you have friend that are very afraid of this place, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, and then why do you think people are frightened of these things?
Apa namanya tadi? Mengapa apa namanya orang-orang ya?
Mengapa orang-orang berpikir kalau ini sangat amat menakutkan, ketakutan sama hal ini?
Because ada ghost.
Oke, because there's a ghost ya, ada hantu ya.
Yes. Yes.
Oke, takut ada hantu ya. Oke, that makes sense. Boleh banget. And then, are those things really that scary?
Apa?
Are these thing really that scary?
Are things.
Apakah ini sangat menakutkan? Apa benar-benar menakutkan menurut kamu?
Yes, very scary.
That is scary ya.
That is scary. Yes.
Okay, that is good. Okay, that's all, Grace.
Yeah, that's
That's
all,
all,
Cap.
Mutia.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much, Mutia, for delivering your answer. Okay, so that is from Mutia. Okay, next, who wants to try? Ada yang mencoba lagi? Okay, who wants to try? Ada yang mau mencoba di sini? Kevin, you wanna try? Oh, mau coba
Eh,
Kevin?
ini kan sesuai gambarnya gitu.
Yeah, based on the picture.
Oh, berarti kayak aku harus takut sama injeksi gitu.
Enggak sih, nggak harus takut. Kamu takut apa enggak gitu loh.
Oh, oke oke. Coba deh.
Okay. Okay, you want to try?
Ya.
Okay, please.
Are you scared of any of this thing? No.
Okay, you don't feel scared with this thing?
Dari
You are
semua.
not scared? Nggak ketakutan?
Oh, ada sih. Itu
Maksudnya dari
kelihatan semua gambarnya gitu.
dari picture number one.
Oh, enggak. No, no.
Why? Why do you don't feel afraid of this thing?
B aja, biasa.
B aja jadi kayak udah biasa suntik gitu ya.
Ya.
Okay, that is good. Okay, and then do you know anyone who is?
Nggak ada sih. Nggak ada. No.
Nggak ada yang nggak tahu orang yang takut siapa aja nggak tahu ya berarti. You don't know
Ya.
about anyone ya.
Ya.
Okay, and then why do you think people are frightened of this thing?
Kayaknya apa ya? Feel nervous kayaknya. Gugup saat
Oh,
disuntik.
karena karena gugup saat waktu disuntik ya.
Ya.
Okay, ada alasan lain? Any reason?
Hmm, ya apa ya?
Apa enggak nih?
Tadi
Mungkin
doang.
bisa kayak because the needles is so sharp, karena jarumnya tajam
Hmm,
gitu ya.
iya kayaknya kayak instingnya gitu.
Oke, because the needle is so sharp. Jadi karena
Iya
apa ya?
shock.
Jarumnya tajam, tajam, so sharp. So they feel like takut banget gitu ya.
Iya.
Oke, and then we have, is this thing really scary?
I think depends kayaknya.
It depends on the person.
Iya.
Oke, karena Kevin nggak takut ya, jadi udah biasa disuntik ya.
Iya.
Oke, that is good. That's all, Kevin.
That's all.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much, Kevin. Okay, so that is from Kevin. Okay, Grace, you want to try?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to.
Okay, please.
Are you scared of any of these things? I think I'm not really afraid to. I'm not really afraid to of the things. And do you know anyone who is? Yeah, I know some people who are. But why do you think people are frightened of these things? I think apa ya? Some people afraid because they are not well prepared or on the exam day. And are those things really that scary? Uh, I think so. I think those things aren't actually that scary, but fear makes them seem worse. That's
Oh,
all.
because okay, that is good answer. So this is not afraid ya, tidak menakutkan ya.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, because you always learn before this exam. That is true.
Yeah, of
Okay, you
course.
have you have to study if you want to take the exam. Kamu harus belajar ya berarti.
Yeah, Kak.
Okay, but some of your friends feel afraid of or feel scared of exam. Is that true?
Yeah.
Banyak banyak nggak temannya yang takut?
Yeah, of course.
Oh,
Uh,
there is a lot of your friend afraid of exam ya.
yeah. Mm.
Okay, how about your favorite subject, Grace? What is your
Uh,
favorite subject?
Kimia.
Kimia, so like
Yo,
chemistry ya.
yeah,
Chemistry
chemistry.
is your favorite subject. How about your disliked subject?
Sejarah, historis.
History. Okay, why do you hate it?
I don't think what about histori masa lalu. Nggak hafal.
Oh,
Aku nggak.
you don't like about the past ya?
Ya,
You don't really like and you don't really follow into the past ya? Kurang mengikuti masa lalu ya?
ya, ya.
Okay, that is cool. Okay, and then you are not really afraid of this thing. Okay, do you have any question, Grace?
No.
Okay, okay, thank you very much, Grace. Perfect. Okay, so that is about this part. So this is for our frightening apa ketakutan kita. Jadi yang pertama ada injection, for number two is exam, and number three is like Halloween or graveyard, and then for picture number four we have like three women watch scary movie or horror movie, and then for number six, oh, this is so terrible. This is spider. This is the most dangerous, hal yang paling menakutkan. And then for number six, like some people ride roller coaster. Okay, thank you very much for trying this part. We will continue to the next year. Okay, now here I want you to make plan. Kalian akan membuat plan trip to a theme park. Jadi kalian harus membuat rencana pergi ke taman bermain taman hiburan. Kalau di sini kan pilihannya ada Disneyland Paris, Port Aventura World, Alton Towers, Lotte World, Cimelong Ocean Kingdom, and Disney World. Jadi ada di luar negeri semua nih. Oke, kalian bisa bebas nih pilih yang mana aja yang ada di sekitar kalian, in around of you, or in Indonesian, or in around the world. Bebas. You can choose any place about theme parks. You can feel it. You can choose it or amusement park atau taman wisata hiburan, boleh banget apa aja. And then you can answer this. We have four. Number one, where is it? Kira-kira di mana nih? And what are some of the biggest or the best rides? And then for number three, sorry, we have this. What shows or events are there? Ada apa nih? Ada event atau pertunjukan apa di sana? And then what can you eat and where can you stay? Jadi di mana kamu bisa makan atau di mana kamu bisa tinggal di sekitar sana. Oke, do you have any question? Ada pertanyaan nggak nih kira-kira? Maksudnya apa nih Cap
Cap,
gitu? Ya?
yang Dem Park itu boleh
Hmm.
sesuai sama kita tuh yang di situ.
Bebas, kalian boleh milih yang ada di sekitar kalian. Nggak harus yang ada di sini, karena ini kelihatannya
Oh,
ada di luar negeri semua ya. So you can choose any place, bebas. Oke?
oke, Cap.
Oke, do you have any question? Ada pertanyaan nggak nih kira-kira selain itu? No? Oke, if you know the order, please make it. Oke, if you want to try, you can say. Ada yang mau udah selesai? Have you done? Oke, belum ya? Okay, I will give you the example. Akan kasih contohnya ya for this. So the example is the theme park. It will be Jatim Park 1, Jatim Park 1. So the located, where is it? It located in Kartika Street, Batu Malang, East Java. And then we have what are some of the biggest or best rides. So here I choose like Gatot Kaca roller coaster. So there is roller coaster. And then as you know, we have there has Pendulum 360, Pendulum 360. So the ride that is swing until 360 degrees. Jadi berputar sampai 360 derajat. And it makes us want to vomit. Ingin membuat kita muntah. And then what shows or events are there? So the events that's like something like apa ya? Ada event apa ya di sana kira-kira? Jadi mungkin ada kegiatan apa nih di sana kira-kira? For the example, there bioskop 4D, ada bioskop 4D. So the event or the shows there are 4D cinema atau bioskop 4 dimensi ya. And then where can you eat and where can you stay? So there is a food court. There are some food court there in the Jatim Park 1. So you can eat there and then you can choose the food that you want to eat. And where can you stay? Actually, you can stay the hotel near from Jatim Park 1. So there are a lot of hotel near from Jatim Park 1 and then you can stay based on your budget. Okay, so that is the example from me. Okay, if you want to try it, you can say it. Okay, so who wants to try? Mutia, have you done? Kevin, have you done? Grace, have you done? Oke, ada yang udah selesai? Belum ya? Oke, I will wait. Oke, ada yang sudah selesai? Gimana nih? Oke, how about Kevin? Have you done, Kevin?
Not yet.
Oke, not yet ya. How about Mutia? Have you done, Mutia?
Belum, Cap. But
Belum ya?
wait a minute deh, Cap.
Oke, oke. How about Grace? Have you done?
Wait
Oke,
a minute.
oke, oke. Oke, Mutia, you want to try?
Yes.
Oke, please.
Theme parknya itu ini Disneyland, Hong Kong Disneyland.
Oke, the theme park is Hong Kong Disneyland Hong Kong ya.
Yeah. And then
Okay.
where is it in Hong Kong?
Okay, in Hong Kong, do you know the city?
Yeah.
Oke, city-nya Hong Kong ya.
Yeah.
And the country,
Yeah.
kotanya Hong Kong juga.
Yeah, Hong Kong.
Oke, and then,
What are some of the best ride? Itu di ini Big Grizzly Mountain Runway.
sorry, can you repeat again?
Big Grizzly Mountain Runway. Pokoknya itu tuh kayak roller coasternya gitu.
Big Grizzly Mountain Away.
Ya, jadi kayak apa roller coasternya tuh kayak ngelewatin gunung-gunung gitu.
Oh, so the track is like in the mountain ya.
Ya.
Okay, that's good. And
And
then,
then
any else?
what show or event are there itu ini apa ya? fireworks display at night?
Okay, a firework party at the neck ya.
Yes.
Okay,
Where
and
can you
then
eat? Itu nggak tahu sih. Mungkin di hotelnya mungkin.
in the hotel near
The
from
hotel.
Disneyland.
Yes.
Okay, have you ever visited Disneyland Hong Kong?
Apa?
Have you ever visited there? Or have you ever went there? Have you
Pernah
ever
ya?
gone there?
Hmm, apa namanya? Pernah ke
Uh,
situ atau
have yeah, have you ever gone there?
belum pernah.
Belum.
No.
So this is your cita-cita ya?
Yes.
Okay, that is good. So you can eat in the hotel ya?
Yes.
Okay, that's all, Mutia?
Yeah, that's all, Cap.
Okay, so your answer is Disneyland Hong Kong. So where is it? So it is in Hong Kong. At where are some the biggest or the best rides? So you choose Big Grizzly Mountain Away. So that is like roller coaster in something like mountain, yeah.
Yes.
And then what shows or events there are there? The answer is Firework Party at the Night. So that is like in the a whole new world. That is like in the Aladdin song, yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe the Aladdin song. Okay, and then where can you eat or stay? So you stay at in the hotel near from Disneyland. Okay, that's all, Mutia.
Yeah, that's all, Cap.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much, Mutia.
You're welcome.
Okay, so that is from Mutia. Okay, next, who wants to try selanjutnya?
I want to try.
Okay, Grace, you want to try? Okay, please.
At the park, I will go to Disney World.
Okay, you choose Disney World. Where is it?
Where is it? Orlando, Florida, USA.
The Orlando, Florida, USA. Yeah?
Mm.
All right, and then next.
What are some of the pixels or bits, right? I think I will visit the Disney characters of Parade.
Disney Show Parade.
Yeah.
Okay, Disney Show Parade. Disney Show Parade. And then?
Yeah. What show or events are there? I think apa ya yang Cinderella's Royal Table.
Cinderella
Royal Table.
Royal Table. So Cinderella Royal Table. Okay, what is it?
eh Semacam apa ya gimana ya? Ada restoran
That
deh yang kayak
that is like restaurant about Cinderella.
ya
Oh,
mewah gitu.
you can eat there.
Ya.
Oh, you can eat there. Okay, and then for the next.
Um, no. Berarti salah jawab. Ini
Oke, salah ya berarti gimana?
ini yang what or events there ini yang itu kayak paradenya Disney
Okay,
Parade
Disney
ini.
Show Parade ya.
Ya, ya.
And then how about the ride?
Kalau yang what
Oh,
are some of the big set rides itu kayak yang Space Mountain.
Space Mountain. Okay, Space Mountain. Okay, Grace, actually you can read the biggest or the best ya. Coba.
Apa?
The
Biggest or
big, the biggest, the biggest,
the biggest,
the biggest,
biggest,
the best,
biggest, beds,
biggest,
biggest,
biggest ya. Jadi T-nya nggak usah dibaca nggak apa. The biggest gitu coba.
biggest,
Biggest.
ah,
Oke. Sama best.
best.
Berarti the big. Coba dibaca full.
Ya, apa?
What are some of the biggest or best rides? Coba.
What are some of the biggest or best rides?
Best. Nggak ada T-nya nggak usah dibaca. The best gitu.
Best,
Rides.
best, ya, rides.
Okay, the answer is Space Mountain ya.
Ya, Space Mountain.
So that is like roller coaster.
Ya,
Okay. So the show is Disney Show Parade. And then
ya.
where can you eat? You choose Cinderella Royal Table.
Well, and yeah, where can you stay?
Mhm.
Maybe Disney Grand Floridian Reserve.
Disney.
Disney Grand Floridian.
Disney
Frozen
Grand Floridian
Resort. Resort.
Resort. Resort ya.
Yeah.
Disney Grand
Resort.
Floridian Resort.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is the theme park is Disney World. So where is it? It is in Orlando,
Resort.
Florida, USA, and you choose for the rides that is Space Mountain. And then what shows? There is Disney Show Parade. And then where can you eat? You can eat at Cinderella Royal Table. And where can you stay? You can stay at Disney Grand Floridian Resort. That's all, Grace?
Yeah. That's okay.
All right, that is perfect answer. Thank you very much, Grace.
Thank you.
Okay, so that is from Grace. Okay, the last, Kevin, you want to try?
Yeah, I wanna try.
Okay, please.
Theme parknya itu Lotte World.
Lotte World. Okay.
Where is it? Is Seoul, South Korea.
Okay, Seoul, South Korea. Okay,
And what
that's
are
good.
some of the biggest or best rides? Atlantis Coaster
Atlantis Coaster.
sama Gyro Swing.
Sama, sorry.
Gyro Swing.
Gyro Swim. Gyro Swing.
Gyro, Gyro. Gyro,
Gyro.
Gyro.
Gyro Swing. Gyro Swing.
Yeah,
That less Gyro Swing. So Atlantis Coaster and Gyro Swing.
yeah. And
And
what
then
show or even are there? Kayak Let's Dream Parade sama Magic Castle Lights Up. Next show itu.
Magic Castle.
Magic Castle Lights Up.
Magic Castle Like Up.
Yeah,
So the event are apa tadi? Magic Castle Up and
Let's Dream.
sorry,
Let's Dream Parade.
Cat's Dream Parade.
Let's Dream.
Let's Dream Parade.
Yeah,
Let's Dream Parade, and then Magic Castle Like Up.
yeah.
Okay, and then next
And where can you eat? At the food court. In the
food
food
court
court.
in
Lotte, yeah.
the Lotte World ya.
Yeah.
Okay,
Where you can stay? Where can you stay? Lotte Hotel World kayaknya.
Lotte Hotel World. Okay, Lotte Hotel World. Lotte World Hotel mungkin ya.
Yeah, Lotte World Hotel.
Okay, so your answer is Lotte World. The theme park is Lotte World. And where is it? It located in Seoul, South Korea. And then what are some of the biggest or the best rides? You choose Atlantis Coaster and Giro Swing. And then what shows or events are there? The answer is Let's Dream Parade. And then we have Magic Castle Light Up. And where can you eat? You can eat in Lotte World food court. And then where can you stay? You can stay at Lotte World Hotel. Okay, that's all, Kevin.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay, that is good answer. Perfect. Okay, thank you very much, Kevin. Okay, from here, do you have any question? Ada pertanyaan nggak kira-kira?
No, Cap.
No, okay. How about Chris, Kevin? Do you have any question?
No.
No?
I think
Okay,
no.
no. Okay, thank you very much everyone for coming today because the time is up. Okay, now I will stop the recording.